Hi guys, in this video we're going to try to use this image picker plugin as well as this Chewie plugin from Pub to take pictures with our phone's camera and display it in our FLutter app. We also take pictures from our gallery, play videos down on the phone, and then we'll record videos with our mobile device as well. This is going to be fun. Okay, so in my app here, you can see I have a bunch of stuff imported. I have this that's IO. Since we'll be working with the images and the videos from our device, we'll need this that's IO. And then I have this image pickup from Pub. As you can see here, I have this image picker. So the image picker lets you work with images as well as videos. You can go ahead and add it to your Perspec YAML file as I have it here. And then after that, run flutter packages get if that doesn't start automatically. Then you import it. So as you can see, we've imported it here. For iOS, you need to add these permissions to your info.plist file for the image pickup plugin to work. And you can find that in your iOS folder, the runner in this file. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. As you can see in my iOS folder, the runner folder, there's info.plist here. So I'm going to come here and add the permissions here. So these permissions, the first one is the camera permission. And you need to specify why you need access to the camera. The next one is for the photos library. And then you need to specify why you need permission to the photos library. The last one is microphone usage. You need to also specify why you need permission to the microphone. So back to main.dat. I've also included this Chewie plugin from Pub. As you can see, this Chewie allows us to play network videos as well as local videos in our FLutter app. Go ahead and add these two packages to your app. I also have this video player. Coming here, I have this app bar and then these four buttons: camera, picture, video, and then record. This camera will take a picture with the phone. This picture one will pick a media file, and then this one local video, and then the last one will record the video. In here, as you can see my app bar title here. In the body of my scaffold, I have this list view and a column in it. In this column, I have this size box and then raised buttons. So this is one for the camera, and then these three are this. Okay, so since we are going to be dealing with files, I'm going to go ahead and declare two variables to hold our files when they are selected. I'll call one image file, and then the other will be video file. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm going to come down into my list view inside the column, and on top of these buttons, I'm going to put two containers there. One to hold the picture when we choose it, and the other to hold the video. Remember, this will just be containers that will hold the video and the image files. So for the video, I'm going to begin a container. I'll give it a color. I'll give it a brown color. And for the height, I'm going to say media query dot of context dot size dot height. I'm going to take 30% of the height. And for the width, I'm going to do same. Change this to width 100. For the child of my container, I'm going to check if this video file is not null. If it's null, I'll be displaying a widget. If it's not null, then I'll display the video itself. Now I'll do same for the picture as well. Video file, if it's equal to null, then I would want to return a centered widget. And the child of this centered widget will be an icon. So for the video, I'm going to use icons dot video cam. I'm going to give it a color and a size. Okay, so that's if there's no video to play. Otherwise, I'll just want to return a fitted box. And then for this fitted box, for its fit, I'm going to say contain the video file. And for the child of this fitted box, I'm going to check if our widget is currently mounted. So I'm going to say mounted. Then I would want to return Chewie. Otherwise, if it's not mounted, I just want to return a container. So this Chewie is the widget that's going to play our video for us in our FLutter app. It takes a controller, and the controller it takes is a Chewie controller. So this Chewie controller also takes a video player controller. So that's how come we imported this video player controller. So I'm gonna say video player controller. For the video player controller, I'm gonna say dot file. So this video player dot file is where we're going to assign our file. So we're gonna ask where is our file going to come from. Remember we created a variable called video file of type file. This one. So now we're gonna put this there. So, and also remember this widget will only show if this video player is not null as we check here. So the Chewie controller also takes an aspect ratio, and I've made it 3 to 2 as to whether you want to play the video automatically or not. In my case, I want to play it automatically, so I've set it to true, and I want the video to loop as well after it's done. Okay, so that will be it for the video player controller part. I'm gonna save this, and you can see we have it here. Since right now we've not chosen any video file yet, the video file remains null, and so this part will be displayed. Once it's not null, this widget will be displayed. I'm gonna go ahead and create one to hold our pictures as well. So for our pictures, we're gonna do something similar. I'm also gonna check if our image file is not null. So remember this is our image file. I'm gonna say image file. If it's null, just return as a centered widget. So that's for this centered widget. Otherwise, if this image file is not null, we want to display this image file. I'm going to say image.file, and then we'll provide our image file here. I'm going to save this. So now we have these two items here. I'm going to go ahead and provide the method for these buttons so that when we click them, we can perform their various actions. I'm going to come up here, and to start with, I'm going to create the method for this one. So I'm going to say camera is going to be a sync. So I'm going to create a method to hold the picture that we are taking, and it's going to be a file type. So I'm going to say file, the image would await for image picker. With this image picker, we have pick image, and then we have pick video. We're going to start with the image. So I'm going to hit this. So this pick image method takes a source. For this one, since it's going to be for the camera, I'm going to say image source.camera. So now I want to check if the image is not null. If it's null, I won't bother updating this image file. But then if it's not null, then I'll update it. I'm going to say if the image that we are waiting for is not equal to null. Oh, so I should have ended this here. I'm going to take this out. Okay, so if this image is not null, I'm going to call setState, and then assign the image file to image file. Image file, I'm assigning the image to it. Okay, so this will help us with the camera. So just to make things quick, I'm going to copy this, duplicate it here, and call this Let's go picture, and then here everything remains the same. The only thing you have to change will be the source of the image. I'm going to change this camera. So you can see open the user's photo gallery. And then now that we are done with this, I'm going to provide these in the methods. I'm going to copy the camera, come down here and put it in this camera's compress. I'm going to copy the picture as well and then put it in this picture's compress. I'm going to save this. I'm going to hit this and I'm expecting it to open the camera. I'm going to Okay, so once this opens up, I'm gonna take a picture here. And you can see immediately the icon has been replaced with our image. I'm gonna go ahead and tap the picture also. And then this time around, our gallery has been opened. I'm gonna hit this one. And then you can see the image has been changed as well. Okay, so let's jump right into the video and the recorder. We're gonna come up here and create a method for the video. Call it underscore video. It's gonna be a sync, remember that. And then the process is gonna be similar. I'm gonna hurry a little. Then this time around, we're no longer interested in a picture, we are interested in a video. So I'm gonna say dot take video. And then we're also gonna provide the source of the video. So the first one is gonna be the gallery. Once we are done taking this, I wanna check if this time around we're gonna use the video file. Video file. It's not now, no. Then we want to call set state and say our main video file, we're replacing it with the vid, which is this one. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this as well and then change the name to, then also everything is gonna remain the same except that this time around the source is gonna be camera. I'm gonna change this to camera, and then now that we are done, I'm gonna copy this. That was for video, and then for the recorder, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste this here and then save this. So I'm gonna go ahead here and first of all hit this recorder and then try to record something. Okay, so nothing happens. Okay, so this is not supposed to be the video file. This is supposed to be the vid instead. I'm gonna go ahead and change the one up as well. And this makes sense because the video file is now, by the time the code execution gets here, I'm gonna save this and try record again. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna hit this. And then you can see our video is playing because we said it should play automatically. Down here we said autoplay equals true. I'm gonna go ahead and pick the video file as well. Then I have this video. And then you can see this video also plays as well. You can see the play controls are iOS style controls, and I simply did that by setting the target platform of my team data to target platform.ios. If I come here and comment this out, you can see I have this material controls. Okay, so that'll it for this video. Feel free to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more wonderful content.